Understanding final appeal in English. Hello, dear learners. Today we're diving into the world of legal English with the phrase final appeal. This term can be a bit complex, but by the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of what it means and how it's used. So, let's get started. Final appeal refers to the last opportunity for a party in a legal case to ask a higher court to review the decision of a lower court. It's the end point of the appeals process where the highest court renders a decision that is typically binding with no further options for appeal. To understand final appeal, it's important to know the appeals process. When someone loses a case, they can appeal the decision to a higher court. The process can involve several levels of courts, and the final appeal is the last possible step where the Supreme or highest court reviews the case. Let's look at some examples. The defendant's final appeal was rejected by the Supreme Court. After the final appeal, there are no more legal options available. These examples show how the term fits into legal discussions and emphasizes its finality in the legal process. That's all on final appeal. We hope this video has shed light on this legal term and made it easier to understand. Remember, it's the last chance in the legal appeals process. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you again soon for more English learning content.